everybody. Hey, it's Paul with the Girl Family, man. Just gonna give you a little short update and video of what's going on here in Louisville, Kentucky. We are in the middle of the beginning of an ice storm. It came in early Wednesday. This is probably good, about maybe a quarter-inch of ice already formed on the car, and we are in a winter weather advisory for tonight. As you can see, ice is already forming up on the trees. Last time we had a bad ice storm, it paralyzed the city for about 3 days with power outages and stuff like that. As you can see, that's a solid ice. So I want to take a video of what's going on right now, and then tomorrow I'll come out and see what we got. But yeah, you can look at all. I mean, it's beautiful how it forms, but man, it is so dangerous. April's at work. She should be getting off work here soon, so I told her to be careful on her way home. Like I say, it's coming down rain, but it's turning into slush and ice. It's crazy. Look at it on the grass, just ice. Crunchy. Crunchy. So, all right guys, so I'll give you an update tomorrow, see how bad it looks like, this weather storm that's coming in tonight. And it looks like Valentine's Day we're still gonna get some cold weather, and it looks like another big weather maker is coming in Sunday night into Monday. So this ain't gonna go anywhere. Once this hits the ground, it's gonna freeze and be ice for a couple days, and then it could be bad. So all right guys, I'm gonna jump off here, go eat me some supper, and I'll hit y'all back tomorrow, give y'all an update with the weather and see what it turned into.
The next morning.
All right, good morning everybody. Well, we had some ice last night, so I started April's car up about an hour ago, so I'm out here checking on it, seeing if everything's all good. Looks like pretty much all the windows have been de-iced, so yeah. So all windows have been de-iced, nice and warm for her. Whew. Need to pop those. So roads look, well, there's some snow, so at least it gives it somewhat traction instead of all strictly ice. But you could hear and see, this is what happened in 2009. We had a lot of ice. We had an inch of ice on the tree lines, and then you had some wind, made it where the weight and the wind just snapped them. Because my car is like gift wrapped in ice. So all right, so she's gonna be heading to work. Like I say, the road's not bad with this, at least some snow on it, gives it a little traction. It is definitely interesting to see. Whew, go back inside and warm up.
Five hours later.
All right guys, now it's in early morning. Well, not early morning, but about late afternoon. So we'll come out here and check everything out. As you can see, we had good icing. I mean, it is beautiful what it does, but it is so Let's go check the fish pond out. Crunch, crunch. Oh, wow, that's so. Pool's a skating rink now. Solid ice. Check the pool filter. So yeah, I mean, it's beautiful when it's iced all the branches up and it really has that nice little glistering, but man, it is definitely dangerous to be driving in this crap. So all right guys, well, this is so far the worst winter weather we've had in Louisville, Kentucky so far this year, and in a while too. So this is February 11th 2021, and we got ice. Supposed to got another storm coming through Friday or Monday, Sunday, Monday. More snow and ice possibility. So I went ahead and ordered some groceries, so we got groceries on its way. I didn't want to get out and mess with this traffic. So, but if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit that subscribe button and notification bells, please. And also leave me a comment what y'all think, if y'all got any snow, ice anywhere part of the United States you're in. But also, I always love hearing everybody's replies back. So this is Paul with the Carroll family on a cold day in Louisville, Kentucky. Y'all take care. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.